What's going on, guys? This is T.224 NYC with Stream Kings. Wanted to do a quick review of a new build that came out a couple of weeks back. This is the new Infusion build, version 1.6. It's coming from the guys over at CellarDoor, and it's available for download in the Aries Wizard. Overall, it's a really solid build. Everything is working inside. It's updated with a lot of the latest add-ons that have come out as of late. So everything has been updated, and it's, for the most part, it's been a joy to use. So before you guys install this, as I always say, you're going to want to make sure you have a fresh installation of Kodi. I'm currently using a fork of Kodi that I'm going to be installing this build on. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go into the cogwheel up at the top, jump into File Manager. You're going to select Add Source. I already have the source, but you guys select Add Source. Let's see here. And what you're going to want to enter in is http://aw.aries-project.com. Once you get that in, go ahead and give it a name. In this case, I just named it Aries. Once you get the name in there, just go ahead and hit OK. You go ahead and hit the back button, then back again. You're going to come down and jump into the add-on section. Select this open box in the top left. Select the option to install from zip, and select Aries or whatever name you gave it. And you're going to select the repository. And it'll take a couple of seconds, but you guys are going to pop up in the top left. It'll say Aries project has been added. Mine says updated because I already have it installed. Next, you're going to go up one and select install from repository. Select the Aries project. Jump into program add-ons, and then you're going to select the Aries Wizard. Once you're on this screen, you're going to select the option to install. It'll download and install it, and you'll get a pop-up confirmation that says it's been installed, and then you click on the Aries Wizard. You're going to be at this screen again. Just go ahead and select the option to open. And it'll take a moment for Aries to launch. There we go. Okay, so once you're in the Aries Wizard, select the option to browse builds. We want CellarDoorTV, so go ahead and select CellarDoorTV. Now, everything let me go back here. Everything that's highlighted in the builds, that's highlighted in green, is pin protected. So if you click on one of these, you actually have to visit this website. The website is highlighted in yellow. You can visit that website on your mobile phone if you have one, your laptop, or if you're using a Android TV box like I am with Chrome installed, you can just hit the option to get pin. I have Chrome installed, so it'll automatically launch that website, and they gave me a pin number, so at this point my pin is 4458. I just go ahead and hit the back button. and it'll bring me here. In this case, we only have two options: Infusion for Krypton, Kodi 17.3, and we have they still have this Jarvis build in Aries. So you're going to select the option to install, select the option to proceed, and then it should start to download from the Aries Wizard. They actually do have their own wizard, and they do host their builds over there as well. But since the update has come out, I believe that they do not have the updated build on their wizard. So for some reason, it's only being hosted at this time in Aries. I'm just assuming that, you know, maybe they just want everybody to do the update due to the heavy traffic. Because once an update comes out, I assume that you know, they probably have an increase of downloads and that sort of thing. So, but overall, I really enjoyed the build. It's different. It really does have a different look, and a lot of add-ons, a lot of content. Stuff for everybody in there. Alright, so it looks like we're at the tail end of the download. If you guys like, you can feel free to go ahead and fast forward the video. At this point, we're doing the extraction. I just got this new headset that I'm using. I'm trying to improve the audio quality on these videos, so it wasn't that expensive. It was like 20 bucks. I got a pretty good deal on eBay, so I'm really excited to see how the audio quality turns out once I upload this. Alright, so it looks like we're about a third of the way through. A lot of new stuff has been coming out. I'm just hoping Jason Diggs gets his builds back on Aries. That'll be great, because his builds, you know, for me, they're my favorite to use. And also the Target in 1080p build that recently came out I guess it's been about a couple of weeks now. That's an awesome build. It's so simple, but you know, it's kind of one of those things that just works, and it works really well. I'm actually going to be pushing out a video probably later on, possibly this weekend. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to do my top 5 builds for summer 2017. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to throw a few haymakers in there as well. And you know, not to give it away, but this one that we're installing today definitely is on the list in my top 5. The UI is really nice. And even the UI sounds are a little bit different. It's kind of something that, you know, we haven't seen before. All right, so it looks like we are done with the extraction. It'll take a couple of seconds here. And we're going to say no. I don't want to back up anything, so I say no. And if you want to sign up to win prizes, etc. with Aries, I do not. And then go ahead and select the option to force close your Kodi. So in this case, I installed this on the Kodi fork from Supreme Builds.
I'm on and ready to go.
Really nice boot animation there. So we might have some add-ons to update. I'm going to let it do that. Looks like their CellarDoor Wizard is down at this time. Maybe they just took it offline due to the increased traffic. And as you notice, the widget automatically advances to the next film, and the background changes as well. So it's very nice. So in the movie section, we have our widget here, and you could just play your movies directly from here. I'm just going to click one. Let's see what happens. So we have this really nice menu. To play the movie, you have options. You can play the movie through Bob, Exodus, Specto, UK Turks. I don't know what this guy is here. And they have recommended films, which is nice also. This is data coming from TMDB, sorry. So that's really nice. And the background loads pretty fast. I mean, I am using the NVIDIA Shield, but I was using this on the Fire Stick and I didn't have any issues. So if we go down, we have a search engine, a high definition section, track TV top 1000. You can connect your movies library. I don't know what this is here. Excuse me. 4K content, box sets. So definitely a lot of stuff. Next is going to be the TV shows section. But did you guys actually see how fast that the widget loaded? So again, a little bit more of the same for TV shows. We got a kidzone. I guess this is all kids content. Then we have another sub menu. If you just click down again, Kids World, Cartoon Network, Minecraft, SpongeBob, I mean, you name it is here. The one thing that I didn't touch was this CDTV stuff. I'm assuming that it's paid content. No, it's actually not. So it looks like SA Kids, Bob's, Pyramid, Wolfpack, Super Cartoons, Metallic-Q. Okay, it's nice. Music section. And up above we have the speed test. You can clear your thumbnails, backup, fresh start, force close. So that's pretty nice there. If you go down, Here is where the bulk of the add-ons are going to be listed. Of Asylum, Picasso, Quantum, Stream Army, Skynet, Pyramid. This guy I'm not too familiar with. Stream Hub is pretty good as well. I've been using that one. Bob, Fine and Dandy, Wolfpack, UK Turks, Cold Keys, Exodus, Specto. So definitely a wide range of add-ons that you can use. In the system section, I thought this was weird because it's just a bunch of weather tiles there. I guess you can assign and change the settings there, and you can have multiple cities. But here you can, here's your basic, Kodi settings. And if you have a PS View account, you can link it with your Kodi. That's nice. You have the adult add-ons here, install from zip, Android only. Android apps and games. So if you guys need Chrome for your Android box, this would be a nice place to get it. Google Play Store. NVIDIA Shield Store. And overall, just a lot of different APKs that you can install to your Android box, if you choose to do so. This is a TV Pro section. And here we have Quantum TV, Mob Dro is here, Supremacy. If you're an IPTV subscriber, you have some IPTV stuff. Sports section is pretty nice. Pro Sport is here. For the most part, it hasn't been working that well for me. Project D has returned, so that's back. Just a lot of really good add-ons for sports. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this one. It's a really good build. It's fast, works well with the Fire Stick. It's well thought out. The layout and UI is different, so I would definitely give this one a shot. If you'd like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. This is T.224 NYC with Stream Kings. Hope you guys enjoy your day.